How to answer Pro-React Triggered Questionnaire in CANKADO Patient App. In the CANKADO Patient App in your device, click on Health. Enter how you feel using the slider. Click on Save. An assessment will be triggered according to the changes in the health documentation. You will get the pop-up as shown. Click on OK. Answer the questions by selecting an option given. Click on Next after answering a question. Click on Finish after answering all questions. You have now successfully answered your triggered assessment. According to the answers provided by you in the assessment, a recommendation will be generated. Recommendation will have the report regarding action to be taken according to your answers.